Hi friends, I am Balveer Singh Yadav. Welcome back. Friends, today I am gonna share the formula of learning any language of the world. But don't worry, I'm not going to recommend you any grammar tiresome book and I'm not going to tell you any boring rules. So this formula which I'm gonna tell you is practically proven and recommended by the educators. And I also applied it for myself to improve my English. So friends, there are few certain steps to learn language and that steps are included in this formula. So let's jump. This formula is LSRW. L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading and W stands for writing. And in Hindi, it says Subopali means sunna, bo means bolna, pa means padhna, li means likhna. So friends, these are the steps to learn language. So the first step is listening. So if you want to learn any language how to speak, just start from listening and from this moment. Okay, but don't forget one thing, your listening should be active and with positive mindset. What is the meaning of active? Active means pay total attention on that content which you are listening and try to copy that, try to speak like that, because the second step is speaking. So listening and speaking should be carried on simultaneously. Listen and try to speak, listen and try to speak. If you will do this activity over and over, your mind automatically will start copying that whom you are listening, and one day you will be able to speak like that. Okay, but remember one thing, listen only those content in which you have interest, otherwise very soon you will feel frustrated and embarrassed. Okay, so you can listen podcast, you can see movies of Hollywood or Bollywood, you can see web series, you can see drama, you can see intellectual talk videos. There are so many things. Choose of your own interest and try to listen in that language in which you want to expert, you want to master of that language. Okay, so let me give the example. Have you seen any baby of 3 or 4 years old? He can speak like his parents. So how it possible for a child in only 3 years, 4 years, he able to speak his parents' language? He never goes for a tuition. He never study grammar rules of their language, but he become expert. So how? What he does? He listen to his parents with curiosity, with attentively, and try to copy that. And one day, means only in 3 or 4 years, he created the ability to speak like his parents' language. So if a child can do, we can also do. because we are full grown men. So, but our effort should be like that baby. In the starting, he can speak only 3 or 4, 5, 10% of his parents' language, but he never stops trying. He tries over and over, and he becomes expert. So we also shouldn't quit our effort. We should try continuously. We can expert. And the third step is reading in this formula. And fourth is writing. Reading and writing also plays an important role to learn language. But for not spoken, they are much important. The first two steps are most important for spoken language, and for the knowledge of language, last two means reading, writing also plays an important role. So, but while reading, you should remember one thing: read loudly. Because if you read any content loudly, it will act as a tongue twister for you. Your pronunciation will improve gradually if you read daily. Okay, so if you follow all these steps, very soon you will be perfect in that language, but your act should be very honest. Okay, I hope and I'm sure if you will follow all these steps, surely you will get benefit and you can become the master of that special language in which you want to be master. You want to learn how to speak. So if my advice you like, so you can like my video, and if you are new here, you can subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon so that you can get new notifications and videos. Okay, thank you very much to listen my video, listen me carefully, attentively. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.